This is the easy way to play Rocket Man by Elton John so that you can sing along.
Rocket Man burning out his fuse up here alone.
There's only 3 parts to learn, and if you can play them, you can play the entire song. The first thing you're going to play is this G minor 7 chord, then move to a C7, and I'm going to play these 2 chords again, G minor 7 to a C7, and then just move the left hand up to this C7 over D. That's the first part. Second part, we're going to move to this E flat chord, then move down to a B flat over D, C minor 7. Now notice the right hand went back to the same position it was just in, to a B flat, and then down to a F over A. Now part B to part 2, this happens every second time you go through these chords. We go down to F over C as well, to an F, and then an F7. The last part, we play a B flat chord, then just move the left hand to a B flat over D, and then to an E flat. And play those chords again, B flat over D, to E flat, then move back to that B flat over D, and here's that magic chord, C7, which we've played in the first part anyway, to an E flat, and back to a B flat. And then we jam over those 2 chords, E flat and B flat, as many times as you like for the outro. That's how all 3 parts go. Now let me show you how to put them together in the right order so that you can play the whole song of Rocket Man.
She packed my bags last night, pre-flight. 0 hour at 9 a.m. And I'm gonna be high as a kite by then. I miss the earth so much, I miss my wife. It's lonely out in space on such a timeless flight. And I think it's gonna be a long, long time till touchdown brings me round again to find I'm not the man they think I am at home. Oh no, 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 I'm a rocket man. Rocket man burning out his fuse up here alone. And I think it's gonna be a long, long time. And I think it's gonna be a long, long time.